4.6 billion years ago, a huge mass of hydrogen combined together and attracted one another because of gravitational force and combinedly formed a huge ball. This ball later started to form a spherical shape and further attracted towards the center of the sphere. Because of this huge mass and high gravitational force, the hydrogen clouds started to fuse. That means fusion of atom started. The hydrogen atom converting into helium. You might have guessed what I am talking about. Yes, the formation of sun and the solar system. Welcome to Geo Atlas. This is Karthik. 4.6 billion years ago, hydrogen nebula started to form the sun, our solar system. Now the sun, along with its planets, moons, asteroid belt, Kuiper belt, comets, it revolves around the Milky Way. It moves at the speed of 8,28,000 km per hour. Can you imagine how much the speed is? And it takes 230 million years for one revolution. That means our sun and the entire solar system, for one circular journey, it takes 230 million years. That means after the formation of our solar system, roughly revolved around the Milky Way 17 times. The solar system comprised of sun, 8 planets, 5 dwarf planets, asteroid belt, Kuiper belt, comets, natural satellites or moons, and Oort cloud. We will see one by one what are the structure and how the present solar system exists. The mass of the sun is 99.8% of the entire solar system. That means except the sun, the remains of the entire planets, asteroid belts, Kuiper belt objects, moons, clouds, dust combined togetherly, it's 0.2% only. So we can imagine how much larger the sun. In solar system, we measure the distance in astronomical unit. An astronomical unit is used to measure a distance in the solar system or space, because the standard measurement is meter. The longest we use kilometer or mile. So we need further larger unit of measurement. We used astronomical unit. This astronomical unit is average distance between sun and earth. That means it's approximately 150 million kilometer. If we start our journey from the sun, the planets are classified into two categories. One is inner planet, another outer planet. Inner planet are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. Outer planets are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. The inner planet have terrestrial structure. That means the rock structure, the surface like in Earth. We may see few planets with knocked eye. Those are Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter. But these planets look like a bright star in the sky rather than what we see on pictures. The first object, it is Mercury, a planet. Mercury is the first or nearest planet to the Sun. It is a rocky celestial object, smallest planet in our solar system. Then Venus. Venus is approximately the equal size to this Earth. It's hottest planet in our solar system. Why the Venus is hottest planet in our solar system? Because the atmospheric temperature of Venus is 467 degrees Celsius. Can you imagine? In our Earth, the highest temperature may go around 50 degrees Celsius. If we compare the atmospheric temperature of the Earth to atmospheric temperature of Venus, Venus is 10 times hotter than the Earth. It is because of the presence of carbon dioxide in Venus. which absorbs the heat energy which comes from the solar system. Approximately 80% of the atmosphere occupied by carbon dioxide in the Venus. The next planet is Earth, a planet which hosts living beings. We can talk much detail in separate topic. Earth. Earth and Venus combinedly called sister planet or twin planet because the shape and the size of both the planets are almost equal. The next planet is Mars. It is also called a red planet because of the iron oxide present on its surface, so it's called a red planet. It is approximately of the size of our Earth. Then we will reach asteroid belt. This asteroid belt located in 3.2 to 4.2 astronomical unit from our Earth. Gap between the Mars and Jupiter filled with huge number of rocky structures and small planet and dwarf planet. It hosts millions of rocky bodies along with a dwarf planets called Cirrus. In our solar system there are 5 recognized dwarf planets. After crossing asteroid belt we will reach Jupiter, biggest planet in our solar system. Jupiter does not have surface like structure. That means Jupiter does not have any terrestrial rock structure. It is fully gas, hydrogen and helium. It is also called a miniature of solar system because the Jupiter has hydrogen and helium. And there are known 67 natural satellites revolves around Jupiter. Same like several object revolves around the sun. If the Jupiter becomes 10 times bigger, it will become a burning star. That means solar system may have 2 sun. But fortunately or unfortunately we don't have these 2 star systems. So these 4 planets combinedly called gas planet or Jovian planet. Those planets Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Jovian means Jupiter-like planets. And after crossing Jupiter, we may reach Saturn. It has a ring structure, dust and minor rocky particles which revolves around the Saturn. It looks like a band or ring. The entire Jovian planets has a ring. That means all planets Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. All 4 planets have a ring-like structure. But the Saturn ring is well established, visible. The next planet is Uranus. It is light blue color. Once again, it is made of gases. The Neptune planet, it is the last planet. After this, yeah, rocky belt is called Kuiper belt. Kuiper belt is same like asteroid belt but located 30 astronomical unit from our Earth. Because of the distance between the Sun and Kuiper belt, this rocky structure is fully occupied by ice particle, and this Kuiper belt hosting 4 more dwarf planets: Makemake, Eris, Haumea, Pluto. These 4 dwarf planets are located in Kuiper belt. Along with these 4, there is a candidate dwarf planet category. That means Hygiea, which discovered in asteroid belt, is proposed for the category of dwarf planet. So it may become a dwarf planet. Then the number of dwarf planets will increase to 6. After passing this Kuiper belt, we may enter interstellar space. What is interstellar space? Space between 2 stellar. Stellar means here star, and between these 2 there is no gravitational influence by either star. Those place is called interstellar space. It's occupied by Oort cloud. Oort cloud, it is a icy dusty particles which envelop solar system. If we look a solar system from an interstellar space, the entire solar system is covered by a Oort cloud and solar system will look like a ball. Oort clouds are located at 2000 astronomical unit to 20,000 astronomical unit from the sun. The next is meteoroid. A meteoroid is a small rocky body in space, but when it enters in our atmosphere it called meteor. When it enters in our atmosphere it will start burn, so it's called shooting star. If meteoroid entered in our atmosphere, it may reach our surface also. Those remnants of meteor is called meteorite. As per NASA report, 48.5 tons meteoroid materials enters into atmosphere of the Earth every day. Bennu, a special case of asteroid which presents in our solar system. Because it located in 168 million kilometer from sun, our Earth located 150 million kilometer. That means the Bennu located just after the Earth. It comes near to the Earth for every 6 years. Its orbital period is 1.2 years and its rotational period is 4.3 hours. The Bennu has a diameter of 492 meter and its orbit inclined from the Earth orbit is 5 degree. The next celestial body we are going to see is comets. Comets are cosmic snowball of frozen gases, rock and dust that orbit the sun. The comets are revolves around the sun and sometimes it goes into the Kuiper belt and sometimes it reaches near to the sun. Because of this, whenever the comet reaches near to the sun, the icy particle which occupied on the comets will evaporate. Because of this evaporation, with the movement of the comet, a tile-like structure will form. As per NASA report, billions of comets orbiting our sun in the Kuiper belt and in Oort cloud region. But the number of known comets till now is 3626. Few examples of comets: Swift Turtle, Halley, Hale Bopp, etc. Thank you. If you like this video, please comment, subscribe and press the bell icon for the notification. Thank you.